Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 16 of the ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity Examination Preparation series. This lecture will cover the different types of topologies and their functions. Introduction to LAN technologies. LAN topology. It is a network topology that describes the layout and connections between devices and network segments. Transmission technologies. Ethernet and Wi-Fi are predominant technologies in local area networks. Layers. Varieties of LAN topologies exist at the data link layer and physical layer. Tree. Tree topology. The basic structure is the traffic is controlled and is centralized at the base, often the mainframe. It is a hierarchical arrangement for effective management. Ring topology. Characteristics. Nodes from a closed loop. Data travels in one direction. It has an enhanced fault tolerance. Break-in cable affects only one node. Historical use in token passing networks. Star topology. Nodes connect to a central device. Example, switch. It provides better fault isolation. Issues at nodes do not affect others. Common configuration in modern Ethernet networks. Mesh topology. There are three types of mesh topology. Partial mesh, full mesh. There is a high redundancy, extensive cabling and NICs are required, suitable for high availability HA environments like server clusters. Partial mesh is when nodes connect to some others. Full mesh is when each node directly connects to all others. Wi-Fi networks. Wireless distribution of network connectivity within limited areas. It provides mobility, allows users to move within coverage without losing connection. Deployment. Multiple access points (APs) ensures seamless coverage in large buildings. Generally supports internet access but not always. Wi-Fi security considerations. There are some challenges to Wi-Fi consideration. Vulnerability to unauthorized access points, that is rogue APs. Interference issues, example, from other Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth devices. Security risks like evil twin attacks, compromising confidentiality. Bluetooth technology. Functionality. Short-range wireless PAN technology using 2.4 GHz spectrum. Classes with varying ranges, class 1 up to 100 meters. Security issues. Weakness in encryption. Example, E0 stream cipher. Risks such as bluejacking, blue snarfing, and blue bugging. Other wireless networks. Other wireless networks or technologies include Li-Fi. Here, data transmission is using light waves. It is high speed but short-ranged. Benefits. It benefits in EMI sensitive environments. Challenges in reliability and cost. Zigbee. The low power, low data rate mesh network for close proximity communication. It is simple and cost effective compared to other WPNs. Cellular networks. Description. Structure. It is a wireless communication with cell-based architecture. Cells managed by base stations. Each cell uses different frequencies to avoid interference. Generations. 3G, 4G, 5G. Evolution in bandwidth, latency and speed capabilities. Conclusion. Description. The summary of what we discussed today is that overview of LAN topologies including bus, tree, ring, star and mesh, insights to Wi-Fi and other wireless technologies highlighting security concerns. Our key takeaways include understanding various topologies aid in designing robust network infrastructures, awareness of wireless technologies implications enhances network security planning. This is the end of this lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.